Hello guys from YouTube. My name is Goran. Before couple days I put some video on YouTube to show you my blacksmith shop. Now it's sunny day outside and now you can see much better my forge. You see, that is the big forge from Angele, Germany. This is little forge. It's the same from Angele. You see that? This is bottom of forge. This big forge, it's 35 kilo weight. See that? It's 350 euro. This I made. Construction. You see, this is my blower. You see that? So I got 3 forge. This one, it's the same original forge. It's casting iron. It's from Serbia. You won't believe me, guys. It cost me 50 euro. Only 50 euro without this blower. This is original from the forge, Yugoslavian production before the war. This construction of the forge, it's from Angele. You see, Angele. That construction, it's made for this forge, so I changed it. I listen on YouTube when you talk about the forge and fabricate forge. It's very expensive in America, also in Germany. Yeah, I understand that, but you won't believe me, in Serbia it's very cheap. You see, casting iron. You see that? Yeah. This is my anvil. This is my boy. I got 3 boys. This one is 4 years old. You see that? The other one are twins. They are 13 years old. They are in school now. This is another anvil. It's Yugoslavian production. It's 100 kilo. I said that in video before. This one, it's Austria. It's brand new. And you won't believe me. It cost me only 200 euro. But it's very good. Good anvil. You see? This is stump. The metal stump, I made it. It cost me 14 euro on scrap. My hammers. I show you hammers before. When I got the time and money, I buy C45 steel and made some hammers. This is my CO2 welding machine. leg wise. It's 75 kilo and it's also from Germany. You see that? It's very heavy. This is my Schweißgerät Oerlikon. It's very heavy, 250 kilo. Guys, I know you love tools, so I will show you all my tools. It's welding wire, 50 kilo. This is my radio, Makita original. It's 100 euro. I buy it on eBay. This is my sandpaper. Here it's my blacksmith hammer. Now you see very well. Yeah. This is my wood coke with the forge. Another time I will show you my forge when it's fire on them. Little and big forge. The little one is for the small job. The big one is for the big job. You can hit much bigger stuff. This I made. It's C45 steel. It's for the axis. The big one and the small one, bolster. You said that bolster, you call that. Or drifts. I don't know, guys. It's my wire. Brush. Yeah, I remember that. This is also from Germany. And I forgot to show you when I make the hammers. All what I know about the hammers I learned on YouTube from American guy. Also blacksmith. This one is drift for the hole. Small hole on the hammer. This one it's drift for the big hole. This one it's also for the hole which I made. This one it's drift for the hammer eye I made. This one drift is for the big hammer eye. Okay, see that? This it's also when I make hammer eye. So here it's a couple more. I don't know how many hammers I made. About 20 hammers. You see this one I made. Also I show you on YouTube before. It's the same hammer I made from this hammer. You see? This one is original. One of my friend, he live in Germany. He buy for me couple hammers. It cost me nothing, free. You see this one, it's also he buy for me. I got good friends. This one he's also buy for me. It's present. This one the same flat hammer he buy for me. You see that? Yeah. The good friend. I got also friend who buy for me Hofi hammer 2 kilo. You see that Hofi hammer 2 kilo. It's also for free. He buy for me and it didn't cost me nothing. 1.5 kilo he buy for me also.